Join me as I take on the challenge of speeding up my computer in just 1 hour. Let's see if I can boost its performance. Today, you'll learn simple tips to speed up your computer and enhance your productivity. Many users experience sluggish performance due to various factors like unnecessary programs, outdated software, or hardware limitations. This can be really frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of an important task. Your computer's slow performance might be caused by having too many programs running at the same time, taking up valuable resources. These programs can be eating away at your computer's memory and processor speed, causing everything to slow down. Having too many programs installed on your computer can also lead to slow performance. This is because many programs run background processes that use up system resources, even when you're not actively using them. Over time, these background processes can add up and cause your computer to slow down significantly. Your computer's slow performance could also be due to hardware limitations, such as an outdated processor or not enough RAM. This can make it difficult to run multiple programs at the same time, causing your computer to slow down or even freeze. Many users also experience slow performance due to outdated software, which can cause compatibility issues and slow down your computer. This is why it's essential to keep your software up to date, as newer versions often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Alright, so now we'll explore some practical solutions like managing startup programs, clearing temporary files, and even upgrading hardware components. These steps can really make a difference in how fast your computer runs, you know? Managing your startup programs is a great way to speed up your computer, as it prevents unnecessary programs from running in the background. You can do this by disabling any programs that you don't need to run at startup, which will help free up system resources. Clearing temporary files is another effective way to speed up your computer. These files can build up over time and take up valuable space on your hard drive, causing your computer to slow down. By regularly clearing out these files, you can help keep your computer running smoothly. Upgrading your hardware components can also make a big difference in your computer's performance. For example, adding more RAM or replacing your hard drive with a solid-state drive can significantly improve your computer's speed and efficiency. This is because these components are designed to handle large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. The most effective method to boost performance is by upgrading your RAM or switching to an SSD. This can dramatically change your computing experience. Upgrading your RAM allows your computer to handle more programs and data at the same time without slowing down. This is especially useful if you work with resource-intensive programs or have multiple programs open at the same time. Switching to an SSD can also make a huge difference in your computer's performance. SSDs are much faster than traditional hard drives, as they can read and write data much more quickly. This means that your computer will be able to load programs and files much faster, making it feel more responsive and efficient. By upgrading your RAM or switching to an SSD, you can enjoy a much faster and more efficient computing experience. You'll be able to work more productively without being held back by a slow computer. This can be especially beneficial if you work with large files or programs that require a lot of resources. The most effective way to boost your computer's performance is to combine these methods. By managing your startup programs, clearing temporary files, and upgrading your hardware components, you can create a much faster and more efficient computer. This will allow you to work more productively and enjoy a better computing experience. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your computer's speed and efficiency. This will allow you to work more productively and enjoy a better computing experience without being held back by a slow computer. If you found this video helpful, please comment your experiences below and check out my other videos for more tech tips.